everyone needs seeds to grow a plant. What is this?
Water.
Water. We'll pour it to make it grow. And most importantly, what do we need? We need sunlight. Okay? So first, what we're going to do? Slowly. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yes. And then Rishan will do it. Yes. Seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place how many seeds? 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you all do it. Set. Take note. Right. 11. Okay. Now we are going to put a little bit of water. You got 6.